Hello digital learners. So today we're going to look at how to book times on a golf course. So I can't do it for every site. Booking golf's tee times. So the first thing I would do is probably just search this. Booking golf tee times, and then to be honest, I think I put in Edmonton. Now, there's going to come up with a bunch of things. Always remember when you're searching online, when it's got this ad, and the first things that come up in Google are going to be ads. So people pay to be first so that you go to them. And probably that will help their company, not necessarily help you do the search. So I'm just going to scroll down a bit. Now, this is edmonton.ca up here, and here's edmonton.ca here. So I'm actually going to go to this one and show you how to do Edmonton. Now, if you don't want to use this golf location, then you can use a different one. This is just showing you kind of how to do it. So here we've got our Edmonton Parks and Rec, book golf tee times online, and it gives you the option to book it at 3 different places. So Victoria, Riverside, and Rundle golf courses. So you can go here and click online tee times, and you're gonna get this lovely page coming up, which maybe looks a little bit like you're not really sure what to do, because it seems to have just taken us to another thing altogether. So what we want to do is we want to golf in the city, your tee times await, and we want to book now. So the problem with some things online is when you go to actually do it, it looks like it's taking you somewhere else. You got to kind of read through the website and see if you're missing where you have to click. So it says right here that there's, of course, going to be terms and conditions. Cancellations, no show, there's a $10 administration fee. And then it talks about carts and all of that kind of important things. And then you can buy a membership. So let's say we wanted to golf at Riverside Golf Course. So Riverside Golf Course, and then you have the calendar come up here. So you can pick which day you want to do it. So I'm going to say Tuesday because I'm going to assume that Tuesday people don't really like to golf. I have no idea. I'm just trying to find a day with times. I'm going to say I want to do 18 holes. Now sometimes when they do this, it's very interesting because it doesn't really show you, like there's not a big color difference between 18 and 9. So sometimes you have to click on the opposite one to see which one's selected. So let's select 18. Number of players, let's say 1. And I've got all day selected up here. But if you just wanted to look for morning, midday, afternoon, evening, or night, I don't know why you would want to golf at midnight, but if you did, then you could select these ones here just by clicking on those. But I'm going to leave it at all day. And then you go down to the bottom of your page and you're going to click search. So this has date, time of day, number of holes, how many players, search. At the bottom you start seeing that bar come across saying that it's looking. And it comes up. It says which golf course. So here's where you can switch it if it wasn't correct. So you can say, okay, Riverside Golf Course, it's going to be on Tuesday, 18 holes, and then it has the front 9. So if I click on, say, the 6:30 time spot, you'll notice that these kind of go in odd time frames, but this is how they're going to space their players. So let's say we want to go at 6:30. You have 1, 2, 3, or 4 players. It says here, correct tee time pricing will be calculated once you've selected the number of players. So I'm going to say 1, and then it asks me to log in. So at this point, you would, if you didn't have a login address, it would make you log in. And then it says what you're doing, and it tells you how much it's going to be. So then you can book your tee time, and it will charge your credit card. So if I click on book tee time, it has me, like basically it sets up an invoice for me. It's got the date, the time, it's got how much the taxes are, and it's got all of these things. So I actually don't want to book 19 holes on Tuesday at 6:30 in the morning. I'm sure that's shocking to you. But this is how you do it. This is how you set it up. It also has this little timer up here at the top. So why that timer is there, and this happens in a lot of ticket booking or anything where a lot of people might want to do it, is they'll have a timer. And basically what that means is your booking has to be completed before the time runs out. Now on this one, they've got, it looks like it was a 20-minute timer. And so if I don't book it in 20 minutes, I will not get that spot because it could be that someone else wants the spot. If you're going to try to get tickets, like Garth Brooks tickets sold out in 45 minutes, if you don't get your credit card in right away, you can lose those tickets, and they might have a much shorter time frame on those, and that would mean that you'd need to have your credit card sort of right beside you ready to do it. I hope this helps. It's how to book your golf tee times online. As for me, I'm going to remove this because I am not going to go golfing on Tuesday. Thanks for coming, guys. Let me know what else you'd like to learn.